All right, here we go. Watch the video. Rex 48. First start after a total rebuild. Let's see what happens. Well, well, well. Long time coming. Now here's the rest of the story. Wasn't really the first start, because I had it 180 degrees out. So just wanted you all to see Rex 48 running, and got a few things to fix, the governor linkage, and figure out why it's not charging. And that's the sound you hear right there, is stuff vibrating down here. So there you go, Rex 48 off and running. Long time coming. Thanks to everybody on the Cub forum, farmallcub.com, for all the help. In particular, Cecil and the guys from the Northeast Cubfests is hands-on. Thanks so much, everybody. And there we go. Now we can finish the rest of the Cub, I guess.